Okay, recording. Doorway's clear. I'm watching that right side. Left side. I got left side. Oh, there's a shadow. I'm watching left side. Guy with the light, left side. Brandon, watch right. I got left. I can't see the right. I got him on left. Every time he turns his light on, I'm firing. Is that our guy? Close it, close it, close it. Thank you. Okay. Guy with the light on the left side. And, yeah, we don't cut it, okay? Hold up. Okay, open it just a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. Okay, there. There's a guy with the light down there, but he's not very powerful. Close it, close it. Who got a round off? I didn't see a barrel at all. Okay, I'm gonna move up by the doorway. So open the door up and I'm just gonna slowly kind of lean down.
First doorway on the left.
First doorway. Shit. Wait. Okay, don't get my way.
Stay on the right.
I got him. Just don't move.
First hallway on the right.
No, I see him. Okay, I got him. I see his gun. Shit. Hold on. Hold up. Oh. He's got a light. No. Brandon, turn your light on down there. Get your light on. Get your light on. I just need your light. Got it? Oh, hit. Close the door. Hey, at least it didn't hurt.
Someone go by the door. You get barged in any second.
They're gonna look in that corner first. Think about door opens this way, so they're gonna look right there. Yeah, I think definitely that.